South African Justice Minister faces scrutiny over state capture evidence access. Recent developments have seen Justice and Constitutional Development Minister Thembi Simelane in the limelight for allegedly hindering the progress of state capture prosecutions by withholding key information from the National Prosecuting Authority, NPA. The allegations, initially reported by News 24, suggest the NPA and its investigating Directorate, ID, are struggling to access a comprehensive digital evidence database, vital for furthering state capture cases, due to alleged insufficient maintenance of the cloud-based repository. Sitting before Parliament's Portfolio Committee on Justice and Constitutional Development, Simelane robustly refuted claims of having impeded access to the evidence, stating she has also not been shown the location of this information. She added that she has been proactive in her attempts to clarify any pending information requests from the NPA or other state agencies, emphasizing her commitment to transparency and cooperation. This denial by the Justice Minister comes against the backdrop of previous reports that contradict her statements. The NPA has expressed frustration over the hindered access, which hampers the investigating Directorate's capacity to make significant inroads into the high-profile state capture cases plaguing the nation. National Director of Public Prosecutions Shamila Batohi has voiced a need for unhindered access, urging that the current level of access provided is insufficient. The Justice Minister also faces a deluge of scrutiny due to a personal controversy. It was uncovered that Simelane had received a loan from an individual implicated in the notorious VBS banking scandal, casting a shadow over her impartiality and leading to calls for her resignation from concerned opposition figures and civil organizations. Questions surrounding a potential conflict of interest have become ever more pertinent due to her position relative to the NPA and other law enforcement bodies. While this unfolds, Mezwanele Manyi of the Uhanta Wisizwe MK party criticized the NPA's efficacy in bringing state capture perpetrators to justice. He referenced notable failures such as the inability to extradite the Gupta brothers from the UAE and the New Line Investments fraud case. Labeling the state's efforts as potentially illusory, Manyi remarked on the perceived lack of concrete progress from the authorities. Simelane's current predicament and the pace of state capture prosecutions continue to dominate the public discourse, with the integrity of South Africa's justice system hanging in the balance. As the country waits for clarity and action, the tale of obstructed justice unfolds, with critical eyes watching over the minister's next steps and the NPA's ability to navigate through bureaucratic and political obstacles to hold alleged state captors accountable. Thank you for choosing Satori News.